Hello guys, welcome to the C++ tutorial series. In this series, we will learn modern C++ from the beginning to advanced concept. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel Mod.dev. Please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's begin. First of all, what is C++? C++ is a popular high-performance general-purpose programming language used for a wide range of applications from game development and system programming to web applications and more. It is a must-learn for anyone aspiring to become a skilled programmer. So C++ is one of the oldest programming language which was developed in the 1980s. Most people confuse the C++ programming language with the C programming language. Yes, the C++ programming language evolved from the C programming language, but they are different because the C++ programming language has certain features that is lacking in the C programming language. Certain features such as namespaces, object-oriented programming, or classes and objects, which is not in the C programming language. So I usually refer to C++ as C with superpowers, or people refer to C++ as an extension of the C programming language. So that is just a brief intro to C++ and then the differences between the C programming language and then the C++ programming language. So one can say that a C code is a valid C++ code. Now, C++ has gone through several standardization efforts to improve the language, add new features, and maintain compatibility with previous version. So C++ standards are typically named by the year in which they were adopted. Each new standard aims to enhance the language, improve performance, and address the evolving needs of C++ developers while striving for backward compatibility with previous version. The ISO C++ standards are the C++ 2003. So this is the 03 stands for the year in which this standard was adopted. Then we move to C++ 11, which is 2011. Then the next one is 14, 17, 20, and then the one that is more modern, which is released is the standard 2023 as at the time of recording this video. So C++ 2011 was when a lot of new features was introduced into the C++ programming language, and since then C++ undergoes a period of 3 years before new features are being added to the language. So the next year after the 2023 version standard will be 2026. Now let's look at some major applications of C++. So C++ can be used in system programming. For instance, or for example, Windows operating system make use of C++ programming, Linux operating system, device drivers, embedded system. The next one, or the next place that C++ is heavily used, is game development. So one of the most popular gaming engines called Unreal Engine makes use of the C++ programming language. Application software such as Adobe products like the Photoshop, the Premiere Pro make use of C++, and other Microsoft products also make use of C++. C++ can be used in database management systems. Examples like the MySQL and then the PostgreSQL make use of the C++ programming language. And then artificial intelligence is also a major field in which the C++ programming language is heavily utilized. We can use C++ in audio and video processing softwares and much more. There are a lot of applications of C++ that I didn't even cover in this slide. So that is it for this video. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow, and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I release a new content on the channel. In the next video, we will learn about how to set up our development environment to write our first C++ code. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.